Before cleaning a computer keyboard, shut down your computer and unplug the keyboard if possible. If your keyboard is attached to your computer, disconnect the computer from its power source. For wireless keyboards, remove the battery before you start cleaning. Next, turn the keyboard upside down and shake it to remove any loose debris. Tilt it back and forth to dislodge anything that's stuck behind the keys. Turn your keyboard over again and blow on it with compressed air while holding the can's nozzle at a 45-degree angle. This will help loosen any remaining dirt. You can also go over the keyboard with a dust vacuum. Just be sure there are no loose keys first. If your keyboard is extra grimy, wipe around the keys with a cotton swab or a lint-free cloth, lightly dampened in rubbing alcohol. Finish by gently wiping the whole keyboard with a dry, lint-free cloth.